नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है शालीन और आज मैं स्वागत करता हूं आपका बिल्वन हर्बल्स की पॉडकास्ट आयुर्वेदिक अवेकनिंग में। लेट मी बिगिन बाय आस्किंग यू अ क्वेश्चन। हाउ मच डू यू नो अबाउट योर हेल्थ? और हाउ मच डू यू नो that the world is changing because of pollution and other factors? Do you know, for example, that in India, we are already the diabetic capital of the world. सबसे ज़्यादा diabetics India में हैं, and a lot of people we meet have no clue how to manage their diabetes. Maybe to follow up on this question, we have today in our studio our wellness expert सुधा चेब्रोलू जी। आइए उनसे बात करें कि डायबिटीज़ मैनेजमेंट में आयुर्वेदा और वेलनेस का क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन हो सकता है। थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे।
Namaste. Thank you for having me.
Sudha ji, let me begin by asking what many people have been asking us is that how does Ayurveda look at diabetes? A lot has been written on diabetes per se, but अभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि पेशेंट्स डिससेटिस्फाइड हैं और अपनी डिजीज़ को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा।
So basically, if you see how Ayurveda looks at diabetes, in Ayurveda it is termed as Madhumeka, right? So that means there is sugar in our urine and in blood, and that gets reflected in the tests. So diabetes generally, as per the Western medicine, there is type 1 and type 2, right? And type 1 is something which cannot be reversed as per the Western medicine. And then type 2 is because of your lifestyle and all it happens. Therefore, it can be reversed. The attempt is always there that there is a cure for type 2 diabetes. But then, now let's see how actually Ayurveda looks at it. Ayurveda generally, actually, whenever we say any condition, not just diabetes, they always look at the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, right? So, for Ayurveda, it is very important that what dosha has been aggravated because of which there is certain condition in one of the organs. So now, for in Ayurveda, there are 20 types of varieties of Madhumaya, and then they are all determined by different doshas, the aggravations, elevations of doshas, because of which and there are also various combinations, different kinds of dinacharyas that have been advised based on the type of diabetes you are into, which are 20 that are characterized.
So that's fascinating. मैंने काफ़ी सुना है सुधा जी कि कुछ आयुर्वेदिक प्रिंसिपल्स होते हैं, व्हाट दे कॉल आयुर्वेदिक फंडामेंटल आयुर्वेदिक प्रिंसिपल्स, और बिल्वम में काफ़ी बात की जाती है जब बिल्वम प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में कि देयर इज एन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस आयुर्वेदिक प्रिंसिपल्स विद व्हाट यू आर कॉलिंग आयुर्वेदिक इंटेलिजेंस, which I think is quite a nice twist on artificial intelligence, which is a buzzword these days. So how do you make sense? ऐसे कौन से आयुर्वेदिक प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जो आप डायबिटीज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और डायबिटीज़ पेशेंट्स को कंसल्ट करने में आप यूज़ करते हैं?
So ऐसा है, before we move on to how Bilvam Herbals actually इनका आयुर्वेदिक इंटेलिजेंस यूज़ करके कैसे हम वो सॉल्व करते हैं, before that we have to understand how actually what doshas are aggravated because of which one gets diabetes, right? So there is one kapha dosha and one pitta dosha. So these two, if they are imbalanced, this pitta is aggravated, and then the ama, the toxins are accumulated because of these imbalances of either kapha or pitta or both. That is when one actually gets into this diabetic condition. So now, how do we look at diabetes? So what we do is we don't prescribe one size fits all.
Right.
Right. तो कोई हमारे पास आए हैं, मेरे ये डायबिटिक कंडीशन है, इतना सालों से है, तो हम क्या कहते हैं कि उनके बारे में पहले हम जानते हैं कि उनका बॉडी टाइप क्या है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, इंटरेक्शन होता है कॉल पे, हम पूछते हैं कि उनका क्या दिनचर्या है प्रेजेंट, उनका जॉब किस तरह का है, स्ट्रेस लेवल्स कैसी हैं, फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स कैसी हैं, उनका डाइट कैसी है, वो रेगुलर डाइट क्या होता है, कभी ट्रैवल करते हैं क्या, ट्रैवल करने से उनका डाइट तब क्या रहता है. एंड देन वी ऑल्सो लुक इनटू देयर स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट मैकेनिज्म्स, क्योंकि हर किसी का एक एक तरीका होता है उसको हैंडल करने का. तो वो हम देखते हैं. अभी क्या है कि इफ़ यू सी उनका स्लीप कैसी है और कॉन्स्टिपेशन है कैसा है, कहीं पर बॉडी में पेन है या वेट गेन हुए हैं, वेट लॉस हुए हैं. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मधुमेह जो कहते हैं उनके आसपास सराउंडिंग जो पूरा कंडीशन है पहले हम स्टडी करते हैं. उसके बाद जो मेन रीज़न होता है कफा इम्बैलेंस से हुआ है या पित्ता एग्रेवेशन से हुआ है, दिस इज़ व्हाट वी एक्चुअली स्टडी.
Yeah.
Once we arrive at a solution, like, okay, conclusion, I don't say solution, so then we arrive at a conclusion, okay, this is the body type, this is the reason this dosha has been aggravated or imbalanced, and accordingly we start with the dinacharya. We don't start with medication. So in Devam levels, what we do is we first suggest that dinacharya. We try and advise and try and correct the dinacharya of the individual. Following that, so what is dinacharya now? Let us look into it. So whenever we say dinacharya, it is basically the entire day, how are we organized.
Right.
कब उठते हैं, कब सोते हैं, कब खाते हैं, खाने का टाइमिंग सही है कि नहीं, सोने का टाइमिंग सही है कि नहीं, जब हम खाते हैं बैठ कर खाते हैं घूम घूम के. Like some people have this habit of moving around and eating,
Yes.
moving around and
Yes.
drinking because they don't have time. Genuinely, they don't have time. And that becomes a habit,
Yeah.
which they don't even recognize.
Yes.
So ये सारा हम अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद हम उनका पहले दिनचर्या करेंगे, उसमें क्या क्या सप्लीमेंट्स, हर्बल एप्लीकेशंस, हम खाली सप्लीमेंट्स प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं देते हैं. कभी कभी किसी का मान लीजिए बॉडी पेन्स है तो उसमें हम ऑयल्स उनको सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं और उनका अभ्यंग स्नान हम हाईली रिकमेंड करते हैं. सप्लीमेंट्स देते हैं, सप्लीमेंट्स कैसे लेनी है वो टाइम पे वो ले सकते हैं कि नहीं. अगर वो नहीं ले पाते हैं सो हाउ डू वी एडजस्ट द टेकिंग ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्स. कोई ब्रेकफास्ट और डिनर के बाद कोई बोलेंगे वी आर नॉट अवेलेबल for lunch at home, we have it in office, so what is the solution? So basically we try and have a very detailed dialogue with the person and then set everything right.
Right. Right.
Yeah, sleep disorder here, then we say that you go and just before sleeping do yoga nidra. तो उसका भी हम बताते हैं कैसे करनी है, क्या करनी है. कोई किसी को रेसिपीज चाहिए वो हम देते हैं. सो इट्स अ फुल पैकेज. देयरफॉर वी से दैट इट इज आयुर्वेदिक इंटेलिजेंस एंड वेलनेस डाइट. एंड देन हमारा ये अप्रोच है कि वी वॉक विथ देम थ्रू विथ ऑन द जर्नी. We are there for them. We are
Right.
always with them, saying that till you are on normal ranges, we are there with you.
So you walk the path with them.
We do.
So would it be fair to assume, Sudhaji, that what you're mentioning, the first Ayurvedic principle that Bilvam follows is Ayurvedic Dinacharya, which means that you ask the individual to follow a certain routine.
Absolutely.
And the second Ayurvedic principle that you're saying, Sudhaji, is it is a holistic approach rather than a Western medicine kind of a prescriptive one-size-fits-all, not that approach.
Not at
And I think isn't that a fundamental distinction between Western medicine paradigm and the Bilvam Ayurvedic principle paradigm? Because to me, it's a fundamental distinction.
It's always been like that between Ayurveda, the ancient Indian
Yeah.
tradition, medical system,
Right.
and the Western medical system. So there's a fundamental difference between these two. But what we are doing is, if you understand how Bilvam approaches, we are not into classical formulations for diabetes.
Right.
So let us understand what is a classical formulation. So classical formulation is those formulations which are mentioned in the classical texts of Ayurveda. Right?
Yes.
Wherein Bilvam herbals, they are non-medicines, they are herbal health supplements.
Right.
Yeah? And herbal applications. So what we do is, we suggest to them many times, we may suggest only the diabetic care kit. But along with that, what else do we add? Like even if someone is having a tooth problem along with diabetes, for example, so you have a tooth problem for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
If someone is saying that I have knee pain, I have pain in my heel, because these are all the symptoms of prolonged chronic diabetic convulsions. Yeah. So that is when we say that, okay, take this bay leaf infused sesame oil.
Okay.
Right. And then if we find that the person who had come to us has pitta aggravation,
Right.
pitta is really severe.
Sure.
Then in the diabetic care kit, actually we are offering, there are 3 supplements, of which there is one neem panache blend, and that one we remove, and then we only try and test with just 2 supplements, amla turmeric blend, and the other one is turmeric blend with aromatic spice.
Right.
Right. So what we do is, and then we try and give also a supplement which will balance the pitta, which will actually pacify aggravated pitta, which is pudina blend with soft and thymosin. So it is not, as you rightly said, it is not one size fits all. It's always customized, it's tailor-made. Basically, the person who is taking our advice should be, completely normal. We set a time frame also. Like this is the time frame we are looking at, and slowly what we also suggest is slowly we wean out them from these supplements. And while they're taking supplements, when the diabetic ranges are normal, we test it like slowly we start adding, one food item, another food item, just to see how it is happening. Because if you see, let us understand this first. Diabetes, why do we get? In Western medical terms, we get because the insulin that gets secreted by pancreas, enough insulin is not being secreted.
Okay.
Therefore, there is sugar in our blood and urine. Right? So, what does our supplements do? They don't give any external insulin.
Yes.
What we do is we rejuvenate the pancreas and liver.
Okay.
Yeah, we improve the metabolism.
Okay.
We improve the immunity.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is actually a path we have taken, and that is how we have formulated our products also, the hand supplements.
तो सुधा जी, क्या ये इंटरप्रिटेशन करेक्ट होगा जब आप कहते हैं बिल्वम हीलिंग सिस्टम? सो बेसिकली जो बिल्वम बात करता है, it is the entire healing mechanism, which means immunity, improving the metabolism, walking with the patient through his entire wellness journey.
Yes.
It is not a destination but a journey kind of an approach. And this means that according to Ayurveda and what Bilvam has perfected from Ayurvedic scriptures, it is actually the journey aspect rather than a prescriptive which happens in diabetes in the current Western construct. Okay, so that is a big, I would say for anybody suffering from diabetes, that's a huge difference. And
Yes.
so what do your customers say? I mean, what has been the response from your customers so far?
Very positive response we get, because what happens is, like, say for example, there's one woman aged 48. And had come to us with diabetes. She's been having this condition for 3 to 4 years. And she's never taken any allopathic medicine.
Oh,
She's been managing, following the... Now there is lot of media, and social media also. Many influencers are talking about diabetes and all. So she's trying her at her home remedies. And
yeah.
so she got to know about us. She approached me and she had asked me, this is my condition. I'm managing, but I'm not still there. Diabetes is still, like, for me, it is still a problem. So can you help me? So I have understood, and she has taken her supplements just for 2 weeks.
Just for 2 weeks?
Only for 2 weeks. Her diabetic condition levels have come to normal, and then she has been weaned out of the supplements completely.
Miraculous.
Yes.
That's miraculous.
There is one more a friend of mine. She is again from Andhra. So she was having a pre-diabetic condition.
Right.
So we have different supplements. Just one of the 3 supplements for pre-diabetes is a different one, and for diabetes we have different one. So for pre-diabetic condition we have given her, and she's all right in 1-2 months. But now she's taking other supplements, the health and wellness, those supplements, and then some applications and down. But we don't recommend to our pre-diabetic supplements. So these are the results we have seen. Now let us see, our customers who have been taking allopathic medication, and then they have this doubt that, one person from Chennai, he had come and he had asked, like, can I continue taking my allopathic medication while I'm actually, while I would like to take your supplements? Will they contradict? I said they don't. Basically, the concern for anyone who is wanting to take our supplements or our wellness guidelines, for them the concern is like our sugar level should not drastically suddenly fall, because that is very dangerous.
Yes.
So that is why we explain that our supplements are not giving you any insulin. They're directly working on metabolism, improving it, and then improving our immunity, and definitely rejuvenating our liver and pancreas. So when our liver and pancreas as organs are very, very patient with us, they give lot of time to us. That even before, one gets into a diabetic condition, it takes about 15 to 20 years. So the system would have been giving signals to us, hello, I'm entering there. Hello, I'm entering there. But of course, we don't listen to our bodies. So for that reason, what we suggest is they can take allopathy drugs as well as our supplements. And then there are people who actually have recovered and reversed diabetes with.
So, Sudhaji, what you're saying is that people who are listening to this podcast, they can safely combine their current allopathy medicines with Bilvam Herbals Ayurvedic regimen. And it is totally safe. People have experimented with this and they know, and you know, that it has been totally safe. They have found results. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good to know, because a lot of times people are experimenting with different class of drugs. So there's no reaction, so to say. Wow, that's great, Sudhaji. Thanks for coming to our studio. And I'm sure this conversation will help millions of diabetic patients across India to really modulate their lifestyle. Or even people like we, जो अभी तक समझते थे कि diabetes cannot be managed, very hard to manage. But with Ayurveda, I think it's simpler to manage. And I think the results are much more enduring. Thanks for coming to our studio. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
So, Sudhaji, how do people who are watching this podcast reach out to you who are struggling with diabetes?
So we have a website, bilvamherbals.com. So they can actually go there, check out, and then send out a message to us so that they can connect with me. Or my mobile number, and then, my email ID will be given.
Right.
And that can be shared, and anyone can call me anytime during the office hours.
Right. So I'm sure people who are listening to this podcast will get in touch with Sudhaji, and in their diabetes management journey, they will win. Thank you so much for joining us in this podcast. In the future, we'll try and come up with more relevant topics that help you in living a better, healthier life.